My name is Tyreek Carter Jr. and this is my video for the Andrew Kors Family Law Scholarship. And the question that was asked was, what has inspired me to pursue a career in the legal field? For me, I've always liked, or been drawn to the legal field, not just from, what's been around me, because my dad is a lawyer, but not only that, but like TV shows and movie shows and what I've actually researched on, online and on Google. The things that I've seen about, the career field, becoming a lawyer. Because for me, it's really like a unique way, or like a unique ability to really give a voice to those, who may not be heard, because we know how prejudice and racism and just how some people don't have a, fair chance to be able to speak and say their thoughts. So I feel like me being a lawyer, I can help with that. I can help protect their rights, open opportunities, and just, serve justice for the people that, deserve justice in the court of law. And another reason is my father, he's pursuing lawyer. He's a lawyer. So he kind of, wanted me to, suggested me going into the field, looking into the field, seeing if I would like it, seeing if, it was kind of something that aligned with my passion, my passion for what I want to do, in my life, as I'm aging and adulting in life. And I found it really, really interesting looking at, how to become a lawyer and all the laws, and just doing my research and background research, before pursuing it in college. And the other question is, how do you see yourself impacting the legal community in the future? In the future, I do see myself contributing to the, legal community in a good and positive way. I believe, I know for me, the knowledge and skills that I have, I could, advocate for all, the groups of people that are, not respected or, suppressed, to support and promote, equality, for all people. Because sometimes, people just like me, we don't have, equality in the court of law. And it's hard to, go against that, if you don't have a lawyer that's, kind of involved in that and kind of, stretches on that and, believes in that, and they, completely go by that. So I think I could definitely represent my client and build them up in the justice system, by just acting with my, my passion, my integrity, what I believe is right, or what I know is right, by the court of law. And really my long-term goal is to, be a mentor for future law students, after I've been, trained, and I've been through all these, trials and tribulations, and I learned from these things. I want to give back through community programs, and also, I want my impact to extend beyond just individual cases, but, I want them to strengthen the legal field, as a whole, and not just, one person. I kind of want it to be towards the whole community, the whole community, and, just stretch it out towards everybody that I can, that would just believe in, what I believe and go by what I go. And that's my scholarship video. Thank you.